So we're gonna cut to the crowd and take a moment of silence as we wait for the strokes to come on.
If you could interview me about my experience.
I'm gonna. Let's see if we come back. I got you covered. So we're making a quick lighting adjustment in case you guys are wondering what's going on. Oh, we're still in the crowd.
That's probably for the best. What's that? Stand still.
Try not to submit for where you're standing.
Oh, I understand.
Okay,
Stop talking. I'm gonna get fired for this.
Yeah, we blew it. You were doing pretty good until I came on.
Sign something to say I can't get fired for this?